And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, we got the burn bans up. Jasper County is included. Now, this is a fresh graphic from the Indiana Department of Homeland Security, and it shows all the counties under burn bans. We got 37 out of 92 in a burn ban now, but Jasper County is one of them, so I'd make it 38. I'll add to that. So Jasper, Fulton, and Fountain. This will probably light up red tomorrow. It's just not on the map just yet, and there may be other counties added from county commissioners with time. Clear night is underway. You know, we had rain from this old near tropical system. You could pretty much call it a tropical storm. It just didn't have a warm core, so it wasn't named. But it brought rain as far to the west as southeast Indiana, even Cincinnati today. We didn't see any of it though. And that's where any showers are going to stay. Dayton, Cincinnati area, it's raining tonight. For us, it's the big hot upper ridge that's blocking. It's kind of in a big U shape here. New England, Quebec, Ontario, back to the plains. Deep tropical moisture coming into the west, producing all this heavy rain, all these severe storms in the high plains and parts of the Rockies. Again, the deep moisture from the remnants of Elena, tropical storm out in the Pacific. A lot of this will wrap up and around the ridge, but the tail end will pass through our area with a cold front on Monday, 6 days from today. And that could bring a few or at least some scattered storms around. Tomorrow's another hot day, 85 to 90. Another good harvest day for area farmers. Winds out of the northeast, plenty of sunshine, and an elevated grass and field fire risk with 90 at Attica, 90 Pine Village, mid-80s Logansport, Delphi about 88, and Chalmers about 88 as well. Now we're in the upper 80s to low 90s Thursday. Low humidity, a cool morning. It's calm, then the northeast breeze and the sun in the afternoon. 90 degrees in Greater Lafayette, upper 80s from Monon over here to Burnettsville. 12-mile area, 87 Roucheville, and low 90s from Kentland and Mount Ayr to Morocco. This is Thursday evening. Again, we are dry. This is a new model run, mind you. We're still dry right in through the weekend. It's hot. I think we could get temperatures around 90 to as high as 93 or 4 in parts of the area. Friday and Saturday, even Sunday's hot as well. The higher humidity surges in Sunday night and Monday, and that's when we could see a few to at least some scattered storms around. Then that system goes through, it gets a little cooler for a brief time before we heat up again, and then this system could bring a nice little shot of cooler air for a brief time, and that could bring some scattered thunderstorms down the road as well. So your severe weather risk is all out here. This is severe cast, this is kind of slight risk. Thursday into Friday, this is pretty substantial risk out here in the plains. On Sunday, this is more slight to enhanced. But for us, you see some of the lighter grays and white colors. That equates to perhaps a marginal risk or an isolated severe weather risk on Monday, with a few of these storms around, with about 40% coverage of rainfall on Monday. But there's your heat. Thursday right through Sunday. Look at those low 90s. 84 though on Monday, scattering of some storms around, and perhaps the marginal risk. The cooler 80 on Tuesday. Then we heat back up again, and then that second front we were talking about comes through next Friday with some scattered storms.